Crystal with ChristaCoDesign. Today we are crocheting the Alpine stitch. Start with a slip knot on your hook. Chain 17 or an odd number of stitches. Double crochet into the third chain from your hook. The skipped chains will not count as a stitch. For row 1, double crochet into each chain across. For row 2, turn your work, chain 1, and single crochet in that same stitch. Single crochet in each stitch across. For row 3, turn, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch. Front post treble crochet in the second double crochet of the row before the single crochet row. Double crochet in the next single crochet. There should be a skipped single crochet between double crochets of this row. Front post treble crochet in the double crochet of the row before the single crochet row. Double crochet in the next single crochet. There will be a skipped single crochet. Repeat across. Front post treble crochet in the row below, double crochet in the single crochet row. For row 4, turn, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch and in each stitch across. For row 5, turn and chain 3. This doesn't count as a stitch. Front post treble in the first double crochet of the row before the single crochet row. This front post treble stitch counts as the first stitch of the row. Double crochet in the second single crochet of this row. Front post treble crochet in the double crochet of the row before the single crochet row. Double crochet in the next single crochet of this row. Remember, there will be a skipped single crochet in between double crochets. Keep repeating across. Double crochet, front post treble crochet in the row below the single crochet row. You will end with a front post treble on the last double crochet of the row. Repeat rows 2 through 5.